Hey there everyone, this is Blades and More with a review of a CRKT Columbia River CEO Gentleman's Folding Pocket Knife. This is a really unique design by CRKT, who are known for making some unusual design knives, and this certainly is one of them. This CEO is a mid-sized knife in that it comes in at 7.5 inches. The blade length is 3.1 inches with a handle length of 4.4 inches. It's a really cool gentleman's EDC that has a pencil-like design, long, slim, really cool. I compare it somewhat to my Boker Trapper that has many of the same design features as this CEO. The CEO is even slimmer than the Trapper. This knife has a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle that has light texturing on it. It has stainless steel liners in a stainless steel liner lock. The top liner has been skeletonized with nice larger lightning holes in there. Has a stainless steel butt spacer that looks really cool. It is a tip-down carry design with a stainless steel right-hand only carrying clip that sits deep in your pocket, or it could fit in a dress shirt pocket next to a pen and you could hardly notice it. It's just a long, sleek, slender, really cool design. Has a right hand only thumb stud opening with a standard blade design. It has a long tapered swedge and a hollow grind with a plain edge, satin finish. Has a small sanding choil, the back side of the blade. There's a small recess in the handle for the thumb stud that sticks out from the nylon handle just a little bit, but I did not have any problem with it catching on my pocket upon removal. Some people have a little concern and suggest that the thumb stud is a little hard to deploy the knife, and I would have to agree, but if you take your time, it opens just fine for me. And that one small concern I can overlook for such a unique, unusual, really cool design that this knife comes with. It's just great. The blade material is a 8CR13 MOV, and it's extremely light knife in that it is 2.10 ounces. Just a really cool design and carry. I love this knife. Designed by Richard Rogers, and his name is on the back side of the blade along with the CEO. Also has CRKT on the carrying clip and CRKT on the front of the blade. It's just a great design. It is March 2019, and I had to wait about 2 or 3 months for this knife. It's a new knife for this year, but there was a wait for it, about 3 months I think, and I'm happy to receive it. I've been carrying it now for about 3 days, and I'm very impressed with the overall design. It's just a cool pencil type gentleman's EDC that it's a light duty knife. Could be used for opening envelopes in the office, opening boxes. Certainly could be used for self-protection in that the blade has a long, slender, slim design. Could be great for piercing. So overall, I'm very impressed with the design of this knife. I do appreciate unusual design knives, and this is certainly has those qualities. So there it is, everybody. It's the Columbia River CRKT CEO Gentleman's Folding Pocket Knife. Thank you very much for watching. Okay. Bye now.